morning, Rowlett Owls.
Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020.
Welcome to Lighthouse Live, at Home Edition.
Today's news for tomorrow's leaders.
I'm Olive, and I'm coming to you from my room.
And I'm Jada. I'm coming to you from my dining room.
Today is Patriotic Day. Here's some ways you can celebrate it. You can draw sidewalk chalk of an American flag or of some red, white, and blue stars. You can also cut out little watermelon stars out of watermelon slices using cookie cutters. Now please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and a patriotic song.
I pledge allegiance
To
the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
My country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty, of thee I sing. Land where my fathers dwelt, land of the pilgrims right, from every mountain side, every mountain.
Since we're at our houses, we thought it would be nice to show you our pets.
We also have some jokes for you. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Champ.
Shampoo.
Shampoo your dog. He's muddy.
I have a joke as well. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Cattle.
Cattle who?
Cattle meow when you pet her.
Funny.
I also wanted to show you this Lego I built. It is of Kylo Ren's microfighter from Star Wars.
And I want to show you these bracelets I made. A pink and yellow one, a purple one, a light purple one, a teal one, and a rainbow one.
Ooh, that's cool. Now it's time for Dr. Fradley and Mrs. Choate's daily update. Over to you.
Over to you.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Thursday to you. Good morning, Mrs. Choate.
Good morning. How are you?
Wonderful. Did you have a good day yesterday?
I sure did.
Excellent. Well, you know what? Today is Patriotic Day, and we will really want everyone to wear the red, white, and blue. And it looks like you've got blue on.
I've got my blue shirt on.
Nice. I've got my blue jacket on. I wonder what all you boys and girls are going to be wearing out there today. Hopefully it's red, white, and blue. And, you know, if you don't have any of those colors, I know where you can find them.
Where's that?
Find those colors, Miss Choate.
Where?
They're uniforms.
Oh, good point.
That's right.
Yes.
Your uniforms are definitely patriotic. So what's tomorrow?
Well, tomorrow's board game day.
Ooh.
And, you know, we want to find out what's your favorite board game. How about taking a picture of yourself playing a game with your family members?
That would be cool.
Dr. Fradley, do you have a favorite board game?
I do. My favorite board game is Scrabble.
No, mine too.
Really?
Mine too, yes.
All right. Well, it's mine, and that was my last enrichment, so I know I had some really good Scrabble players here.
Yeah, well, it's been a while since I've played. In fact, I can't seem to get anybody to play with me at my house.
All right, we're going to have to work on that. You know, we had some more jokes coming in on Joke and Riddle Day, and we have a joke from Brooklyn in Mrs. McMahon's 5th grade class. Would you like to try to answer this joke?
I would like to try.
Okay, here it goes from Brooklyn. She says, who made the fish's wishes come true?
The fish's wishes. I don't know.
It's the fairy cod mother. Like that. I like anything about
Good one,
fishing.
Brooklyn.
That's a good one. And, and she said when she sent it in, she said, I really hope that Dr. Fred likes this one because he likes to fish. And Brooklyn, I loved it. So thank you.
Oh, I should have asked you the joke. Maybe you would
Probably.
have gotten it. All right,
Maybe.
but
You got one for me?
I do. I have a riddle from Kayla in Mrs. Gore's 3rd grade class, and here it is.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
There's a 1-story house where everything is purple. The floor is purple, the walls are purple, the ceiling is purple, the beds are purple. What color are the stairs?
Stairs. But it's a 1-story house, right? So
Mhm.
I don't know. I'm confused. Just say brown.
Well, you're this close. There aren't any stairs. It's a
that
1-story house.
Kayla, nice
was
job. Way to trick
tricky.
me.
Mhm.
That's a great joke. All right, boys and girls, we hope you're doing great out there and being nice to your moms. We say that every single day.
Mhm.
And we have lots of good stuff on the news today, so make sure you sit tight and watch it. And we will see you tomorrow morning. Have a great day.
Bye.
Over to you, Olive and Eva.
Hi, this is my sister Eva, and today we will be showing you how to make stress balls. Let's get started. For this, you'll need kinetic sand, a towel, a spoon, some balloons, and a funnel. If you don't have kinetic sand, you can use baking soda or flour. As you can see, we have laid out our towel so nothing gets on the floor. Now, first, we will need a balloon. We will take our kinetic sand, flour, or baking soda, and scoop a spoonful of it out. If you are using baking soda or flour, use a funnel to pour it in. So I'm going to take this and stick my kinetic sand in until I am satisfied with how much there is in it. So what you're going to do when you're done is you're going to get all of the air out. And then you're going to tie a knot where your sand stops. And there it is. If your balloon has a lot of sand on the outside, it's okay because you can just wash it off with water and it will all go away. We're all done with our squishy balls. They turned out great. We hope you had a lot of fun making squishies with us. Back to you, anchors.
I'm going to show you how to make these cute hopping origami frogs.
All you need is a piece of paper and some markers.
First, color your piece of paper in whatever your way you'd like.
So first we are going to color them. So let's do that. I'm going to draw some flags on mine. We colored them patriotic colors since it's Patriotic Day.
Now, once you're done with that, make sure your coloring side is face down. Then, fold it in half. Fold your paper in half like a hot dog. Now unfold it. Take the top left corner and bring it down to the right side. Make a crease. Then unfold it. Now take your top right corner, bring it down to the left side. Now we have this little center X. What you're going to do is from the point, the top half, you're going to fold it down. And you're gonna then unfold it. Now, with the creases you just made, put them together and bring it down. Now, once you've done that, take these two little flaps and bring them down. Now you've made two little flaps. Bring one corner of the flap up to the top corner. Do the same with the other side. Now once you've done that, take this right side and fold it into the middle. Now take the other side and do the same. Once you've done that, take the bottom half and fold it up. Then take that same half and fold it down halfway. Now you have your origami frog.
This is how they turned out. And if you press right here, they'll actually jump. That's all for today's daily news broadcast.
Have a thrilling Thursday.
Bye.
I'm a Power Rowlet Owl in uniform and dress. I pledge to follow Rowlet rules and always do my best. I'll be proactive, choose and take responsibilities. I'll show respect to others and their properties. I'll set goals, but first things first and do what I'm assigned. My attitude will be win-win with safety rules in mind. I'll listen so I'll understand and follow all directions. I'll be responsible for my behavior and corrections. With teamwork I will soar with more and others synergize. I'll renew and sharpen up with power as my prize. All right!